Hello and welcome to the German for Beginners class lesson 30. In this lesson, you will learn about the most common German expressions. Let's start with keep your fingers crossed. In German, we would say die Daumen drücken. Die Daumen drücken. The translation of Daumen is the thumbs and drücken is to press. Literally, this sentence means press the thumbs. Die Daumen drücken. The second expression is I'm wiped out or I'm exhausted. We would say ich bin fix und fertig. Ich bin fix und fertig. If you would translate this sentence, then it would mean I'm quick and ready. Ich bin fix und fertig. The third expression is to sleep like a dog. In German we would say schlafen wie ein Murmeltier. Schlafen wie ein Murmeltier. Here we have the verb to sleep, schlafen, and Murmeltier is the groundhog or the marmot. So in German we would say sleep like a groundhog or a marmot. Schlafen wie ein Murmeltier. The next expression is great. For this expression we have three words. The first one is prima, prima, klasse, klasse, and the third one toll, toll, prima, klasse, toll. Let's continue with useful words. Ready or finished, fertig, fertig. Exactly or precisely, genau, genau. And, but, aber, aber. Fertig, genau, aber. Nonsense in German is Quatsch, Quatsch. And if you want to say agreed or okay, then you would say einverstanden, einverstanden. Quatsch, einverstanden. Maybe or perhaps, vielleicht, vielleicht. Maybe or possibly, eventuell, eventuell. Vielleicht, eventuell. Take it easy is mach's gut, mach's gut, and take care, pass auf dich auf, pass auf dich auf. Mach's gut, pass auf dich auf. Never mind or that's okay, das macht nichts, das macht nichts. And don't mention it, nicht der Rede wert, nicht der Rede wert. If you want to say I beg your pardon or what did you say, you can simply say wie bitte, wie bitte. And too bad or what a pity, schade, schade. What bad luck, so ein Pech, so ein Pech. Bad luck can be translated as Pech. Schade, so ein Pech. And the last one, good luck, viel Glück, viel Glück.